Good morning, peeps, peeps. Are you gonna brush your teeth too? What? We are all awake. It was raining outside. Is it still raining, guys?
It is. It's pouring rain. It's gonna be pouring rain right above you.
I don't believe you.
2 minutes today.
Nope. All gone. That sucks. It's beautiful though. Oh. Oh. The food truck things lasted until like 10 o'clock last night too, and then they said jam it up.
They bailed at 9:30. Yep.
No, I was still watching. I was watching the news at 10.
Yeah, we were up at 10:16
Yeah.
and they were still.
They were pulling out. They were starting to pull out.
I was gonna say because it started raining and they like thinned out.
Oh, did they?
Oh yeah, it started raining and they were gone, dude.
That's funny. Anyways, we're all awake.
Like,
We're all just getting ready
I
for
know
work.
when it started raining. It's when
And our load-ins
when the
today,
target stopped.
so it'll be good. The other side of the mountains I filmed yesterday. Cool beans. There's water all over the window because it rained. Lunch at Arby's and Ty got curly fries and ketchup. Alrighty guys, it's raining outside. Like full on. Hello, I'm rain. We just got done eating lunch. I'm gonna take you guys back in and show you guys how it's coming out, but it's basically the same as last time when we were out here. We just kind of are a lot further along before lunch, so. But lunch was good. We had Arby's. I had a chicken sandwich. How was your chicken sandwich?
It's delicious.
Mine was hot.
It weren't no buttery jack.
No Jack in the Box this time around. We just went there and had a good lunch. So now we're on our way back, and it's raining outside. What if it's raining back at home? Everybody knows how to do math. There's Pop Rock.
There's 17. There's 350, 385. We had like some spare.
Tyler.
No, there's 17 lights.
Floors are so cool and bright in here.
No, I don't know what.
Alrighty guys, another show done. I didn't show you guys the end because all the director chairs were up on the deck, so I didn't want to have to put a bunch of blur marquees everywhere. But we're done. It's so pretty. Like, look at that mountain over there. You guys see that? Like, hello, gorgeous. Anyways, we're off work. It was a good load in. Oh, the truck driver even took his cab. He just left the back end. And we're on our way back to the hotel. Don't know what we're doing for dinner yet. We'll have to figure that out. Oh, we're doing Panda. Panda's the business. But yeah, that was a pretty dang good load in. I want to show you guys these mountains. Sorry, I'm totally distracted. Look at those things. Focus. Oh my gosh, it looks so unreal. I mean, fake. Postcard. Woohoo! Look, there's a bunny.
Oh, there's two? It was.
Hi, buddy, bunny, foo foo. He's eating the grass. Ah. We're at Panda for dinner. Tyler's over there. There's a drink. I just got my huge fried rice, chow mein, kung pao, orange chicken.
Antics to be perfectly timed and all funny.
Dinner's done.
Dinner's done.
Tell everybody about what happened.
Yeah. Do you see this lid on this cup right here? Yeah. How am I supposed to film something I don't even know is gonna happen? I went to go and pick it up like so.
Well, let's not do it.
No, it's fine now.
No, it's not.
It's fine. Hair's fine. It's the only thing that's
Hair's fine, yeah.
Hair.
No, sometimes it's coarse and thick. Anyways.
That's what she's like.
Anyways.
Sandpaper's fine.
I went to pick it up and I had the bag of Panda in my hand as well. And it wasn't the bag or anything, it was just the lid collapsed. And I just poured soda. Well, I didn't lose it all, I just lost a quarter of it. And it was all over the floor. I feel really bad. It was an accident, I didn't mean to. But at least we got some soda at least. Right?
It's all good in the hood.
Oh, the bright warm lights are back. We are back at the hotel and we have leftover Panda. But I was just hopping to the shower. I was making sure I had all this stuff out there right there. And here's us. Yeah, back. That's the hotel. Like Tyler set up the waiting room, you like that? In our office. this? Why is your thing up there, not up there? Not enough room?
Yeah, I don't want to turn my chair.
I'm 2 minutes away from being done for everything I believe. Tyler's out of the shower. Did you have a nice shower?
Drinking water.
Water. Oh, wow. Watching The Walking Dead. Oh. I haven't seen it. I know I'm so lame. So sorry from the beginning. We're hanging out. Alrighty, guys. I know we have the fan on again, but it's just so that they can't hear us in there. If you guys have fun hanging out with us, if you guys did, please do give us a thumbs up.
And like the video.
Yeah, we really do appreciate all the support. If you guys are new to our channel and not yet subscribed,
Please do subscribe.
we really do appreciate your support, like I said. And if you guys have fun, please come back and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yana, good night, everybody.
Bye, guys. Good morning. I am absolutely pooped out, you guys. Like, so pooped out.